Hello guys, today I will show you how to bulk compress videos in Mac. So for that there is a software called Handbrake. You need to download that and install. So the website is this Handbrake.fr. You just need to download it and install it on your Mac. And as I already have it downloaded, I'll show you how you can compress videos. Hmm. So here it is. Um, this is the default view of the folder of the software, and first you need to select which videos you want to compress. uh, for example, in my case, I have some videos of a trip that I went to. For example, these MP4s, and I will just select them, like select multiple of them. Click on open. Yeah, so these are loaded now. Whatever the settings that you want to put for the compressed video that will be generated, you can set those here. Okay, like the format of it. What else do we have? Resolution. For example, you want to create a 720 pixel video instead of full HD. So all of these things can be done here. uh, for now I just keep it to default. And after you have added those, the next thing that you need to do is click on this arrow icon, the downwards arrow icon, and click add all titles to queue. So when that is done, you'll see the number of videos that you have selected in this queue section. Click on this queue section, and here it is, with all the list of the videos that you selected. And you just need to press on the start, and it will start converting those videos into the format that you selected, and will also compress a bit. Let's click. So yeah, you see it has started compressing or converting the videos, and we can see it here where it is saving. It is saving in this folder, Abhishek movies. So let me open another window. Yeah, so as the videos compresses are done compressing, you will start seeing them here. You don't need to wait for the whole videos to convert. One by one they'll start coming here. And if I show you uh, like the difference, um, in the size. So let's say this video, let's say this one, 30351, and the 30351, sorry, 3035. Let me just search it. 3035. Hmm. God, I'm not able to find this video, the original video. Uh, 3035, 3035, 30. Is it somewhere else? Okay, let's search for something else. So this one is 229, which is here. Yeah, you see, this is a 259 MB video, the original video, and it has converted it into like almost like 50% saving are done here. And let's see the quality. Let's check here. You see, there isn't much that quality loss from the original one. But if you need more quality, you can set up these presets accordingly. And here we are, around more than 10 videos are done completing, uh, compressing. And later on, what you can do is you can simply just overwrite it here and apply to all, and it will just replace all those original videos with these ones. Only thing that you need to remember is, in case you're converting a different version, a different format of a video, for example .mov, in that case it won't replace, because it will still generate the videos in the format that you selected. So the initial name will be the same, but the last extension will be different. So for example, earlier these videos, the img 3695, it was a mov video, but after converting it, it was this img with the .mp4 format. So when I pasted it in my folder, both were still there, so I had to manually delete those, the mov ones. Yeah, so this is how you can compress the videos and save a bit space on your MacBook. That's what I'm doing. If you have any questions, you can just put it in the comment box.